Too many people claim to be Christians, yet their lives show little evidence of it. Their words and actions give no indication of a genuine relationship with God. Yet they expect the same blessings, the same guidance, and the same protection as those who walk deeply with God. When life gets hard, they don't run to God for solutions, they blame Him instead. You see, everything we do should be for the kingdom of God, not out of obligation, but out of love. We serve because of the love Jesus showed us on the cross, because of the love we have for God. Without that love, without the time spent to nurture our relationship with Him, can we truly call it a relationship at all? And one day, there may come a moment when Jesus looks at us, not with anger, but with sorrow, and says, "Depart from me, I never knew you." That's a terrifying reality for those who call Him Lord with their lips, but live as though He doesn't exist. True faith is not in what we say. True faith is not in the label we wear. True faith is in the life we live, the love we carry, and the heart we surrender completely to God.